Well, we went out and got a bearded dragon. Here's his water dish. We got some greens over here. And he's hiding behind a rock over there. Can we get him? Got some crickets running around in there. Gotta put calcium powder all over them. Oh, let's see if we can see him there. There we go. First day. So we're gonna give him some rest and get the camera out of his face. Maybe he'll be more photo and energetic next week.